Hey everyone, it's the Beach Flyer, and I got something here today called the Syma S5 3-channel remote indoor helicopter. And as you see, you got one instruction manual, not a whole lot to it. You have this infrared controller. I'm familiar with this one from the Syma S8. I don't really like this one too much. I'm hoping that I can use the regular 107 controller. One hobby grade screwdriver, a rear propeller, no USB charger, which is a little curious. I don't know if it's missing or they just don't give you one. Looks like I can probably charge it with one of my other chargers, but if I didn't have one, it would be a problem. I'm not sure how I would charge this. And it looks very similar to the 107. I guess I can feel that it is a tiny bit lighter because of this plastic as opposed to the 107's all metal. If I put them on a scale, you'd probably see they were a couple of grams lighter. So that right off the bat, and a little, yeah, I mean, it's plastic as opposed to metal. I guess there is some metal in it. I'm going to make it faster. So let me see here. I don't really, you can't really see the light coming on there, so maybe after I charge it, which I'll charge it with the 107 controller. Hope that works. USB charger. Okay, it's charging, so it'll probably take about 30 minutes or so, and then we'll see. Hopefully it's not DOA, because it's not a good sign that the battery did not turn on. Usually it does. Usually it'll give you a couple of minutes, and then you charge it. So, but hopefully this will charge up, and it'll run well. We'll see. Okay, I got it fully charged. Okay, I got it fully charged. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna try using my 107 AB controller, and there it goes. It seems to work, but something seems to be wrong too. Now let me try the other controller. It seems to work much better with this controller for some reason. So the 107 controller will kind of work it, but you can need to use this controller, I'd say. Let's see how far. It definitely seems very stable, like the 107, but it also seems a little bit faster, which is what it is advertised as. And they're just barely pushing on the rudder stick, and I can see it's already moving in a much larger room. And as we can see today, there's almost hurricane conditions outside. Kind of day that indoor flying was made for. I definitely look forward to flying this in a bigger room and get more of a sense of how fast it can go. In this little room, I can just kind of barely turn it around, but you get an appreciation now for how much faster this is than the 107. Just barely pushing on the stick here. So you have it, a nice little first flight. I'd say it really is very much like the 107. The stability is the same. It's definitely a bit faster. I look forward to getting it in a bigger room where I could open it out a little more. But yeah, just kind of a lighter plastic version, a little more speed, a little more punch than the 107. Definitely another winner by Syma.